Traveling with diabetes requires careful planning and preparation, but it should never deter you from exploring the world. Whether you're flying across the globe or embarking on a local road trip, understanding how to manage your condition while on the move is key to ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey. In this video, we'll guide you through essential steps to consider, focusing on the importance of bringing a glucometer and your medications with you. Let's begin by acknowledging the reality that diabetes management doesn't pause just because you're away from home. Maintaining your regular monitoring routine is crucial for keeping your blood sugar levels stable and preventing any potential problems. At the heart of this is your glucometer, an indispensable tool that helps you gauge your glucose levels accurately. Ensure that it's packed securely in your carry-on, as checked luggage can get lost or delayed. If you're flying, keep in mind that it's perfectly acceptable to carry it through security checkpoints. TSA guidelines allow medical devices in the cabin, and you can always request a hand inspection for your glucometer to prevent any damage from X-ray machines. In addition to your glucometer, it's vital to pack sufficient diabetes medications to last the duration of your trip, with extra supplies for emergencies. This includes insulin, oral medications, and any other prescriptions you might be taking. Make sure these are kept in their original pharmacy-labeled containers to avoid any confusion with customs. If you're on insulin, a cooler bag might be handy to keep it at the correct temperature, especially if you're traveling to warmer climates. Also, remember to pack needles, syringes, or insulin pens, along with a disposal plan for their safe handling. Before you leave, pay a visit to your healthcare professional. They can offer personalized advice and provide a letter detailing your medical condition and treatment, which can be useful in emergencies or if questioned by security personnel. This letter should include the type of diabetes you have, your medications, and an emergency contact. It's also a good idea to know where you can access medical help at your destination, just in case you need it. When traveling with diabetes, your itinerary might need a little tweaking to accommodate your medical needs. Plan for regular meal breaks and try to stick to your usual dietary routine as much as possible. This might mean researching restaurants in advance or packing snacks to ensure you have access to suitable food options. Staying hydrated is another crucial aspect, particularly during long flights or in hot weather. Your body's hydration needs can fluctuate with travel, potentially impacting your blood sugar levels. Another consideration is time zone changes, which can affect meal times and medication schedules. It's essential to adjust your medication timing gradually as you cross different time zones. Your healthcare provider can assist you with a specific plan for managing these changes, ensuring that your routine is as seamless as possible. Physical activity is often a significant part of travel, whether it's hiking, sightseeing, or simply walking through an airport. While this can be beneficial for managing diabetes and boosting your overall health, it's crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels before and after activity to prevent hypoglycemia. Carry a fast-acting carbohydrate source, like glucose tablets or juice, for immediate energy if needed. Let's not forget the importance of travel insurance. Ensure your policy covers pre-existing conditions like diabetes, giving you peace of mind that you're covered for any eventualities. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions and understand the process of accessing medical care if required. Finally, keep a journal of your journey. Document your experiences, noting any challenges you face and how you overcome them. This can be invaluable for future trips and can help you refine your travel routine to better suit your needs. In conclusion, traveling with diabetes requires a bit more forethought than usual, but it opens a world of possibilities once you're prepared. With your glucometer and medications by your side, you can manage your condition effectively while enjoying the adventure. Remember, preparation is your ally, and by following these guidelines, you can embark on your travels confidently and safely. Here's to new experiences, bold explorations, and the peace of mind that comes with thorough preparation. Bon voyage! Please subscribe to our channel